Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials. A phone with NFC and blank NDEF tags. First, enable NFC and open your tag writing app. Next, choose the payload. A simple URL is fastest. A vCard stores contact fields. Enter the content exactly. Once done, place the tag against your phone back and right. The app will verify NDEF format and report success. Make sure tags are writable and not locked before proceeding, because locked tags cannot be changed later. Now you'll create a QR code that matches the NFC payload so either scan method works. Open your QR generator, paste the exact same URL or payload, and choose error correction, usually medium for stickers. If the link is long, consider a shortener to keep QR density lower. That improves scan reliability. Export at high resolution for print. Then test. Scan with the phone camera and a QR scanner to confirm identical behavior to the NFC tag. Finish by placing printed QR stickers next to each NFC tag, then secure them for the environment, laminate for moisture, outdoor adhesive for exposure. If the content is final, lock the NFC tags to prevent rewriting, otherwise keep a writable spare. Test thoroughly. Scan the QR and tap the NFC from multiple phones, different angles, and distances. If a tap fails, move the tag or change orientation. If QR blurs, increase print size or error correction. Troubleshooting tip: if writing fails, try a different tag brand or enable NFC polling in app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.